How to fix LG TV green screen in 2026. So first of all, you need to switch between the different inputs. Like if you are using HDMI, you need to switch to the live TV. If you are using live TV, you just have to switch to the apps and so on. So you just have to keep on doing it. If the green screen appears only on one input, the issue is with that specific device or the cable and not the TV. So this particular step is going to help you avoid any unnecessary resets. Afterwards, you just have to simply disconnect the HDMI cable and plug it back in firmly. You can also try a different HDMI port or a different cable if possible. Sometimes loose or damaged cables can distort the color signals and then it can cause the green screen issue like this one. Now you can also press the settings on your remote. Afterwards, you just have to go to the all settings. Now inside the all settings, simply look for the option of picture. Then you just have to basically look for the option of reset picture settings inside picture. So after selecting this option, what this is going to do is it is going to restore the color balance, the tint and the display values to default settings. Now inside the picture settings, you can also disable the HDR mode and you can also change the HDMI Ultra HD deep color. Also check if your connected device is forcing an unsupported color format. Sometimes the incorrect color output settings can cause a green tint. So these steps are going to help you quickly identify and fix the real cause. Thank you.